Do I need a will even if I don't have much stuff? That's a good question. Hi, I'm attorney Joel Beck of the Beck Law Firm LLC in Lawrenceville, Georgia. And in today's short video, I'll answer that question for you. Hi, I'm attorney Joel Beck with the Beck Law Firm LLC in Lawrenceville, and one of the questions I get from time to time is, do I need a will? I really don't have much. Well, if you're the parent of a minor-aged child, then the answer is yes, regardless of what type of property you have or how much it's worth. You need to do some basic estate planning to make sure that your children will be taken care of. So the answer is yes. Now, generally speaking, there's 3 documents that most people need as part of their estate planning foundation. The first is a will, and all a will does is distribute the assets that you have at the time of your death to the people that you want to have them when you die. But importantly, if you have minor-aged children or young adult children, you will want to, for those that are under the age of 18, name a guardian in the will to be responsible for raising your children into adulthood. And for these minor-aged children, and for even some of the ones that are above 18 but still very early young adults, you can name a trustee to manage assets for them so that you can make sure that your children get raised, complete their education, develop a work ethic, and learn the value of a dollar before you dump some assets of any type on them, so that the inheritance will be a blessing rather than a curse. We do that through the will. In addition to the will, most people need 2 other documents. One is the Advance Directive for Healthcare. It's a Georgia document where we combine a living will and a power of attorney for healthcare into one document. It lets you appoint somebody to be your healthcare agent and to make medical decisions for you if you can't make them for yourself. And it also sets forth how you want to be treated in certain circumstances. And then finally, the 3rd document is a durable power of attorney. And this lets you appoint somebody to be your agent, to be your attorney in fact, and to manage your affairs and your finances for you, either out of convenience for you or if you become incapacitated and are not able to do it yourself. So these 3 documents, the last will and testament, the Advance Directive for Healthcare, and the Durable General Power of Attorney, really form the foundation. And for most people, that's really all they need here in Georgia as part of their estate planning practice. So to answer the question that we had at the start of the video, do you need to do a will even if you don't have many assets? Well, if you're the parent of a minor-aged child or children, then yeah, the answer is yes, you do. And it's primarily not so much to distribute assets when you die, but to make sure that the right people will be taking care of your children, will be raising them into adulthood, and that the right people will be managing any assets that are left for their care, their well-being, their education, and support. Now, naming guardians is one of the parts of the process that trips a lot of people up, and it really shouldn't. And when you work with a lawyer such as our firm here or other experienced estate planning lawyers, they're going to help you understand how best to identify the right type of people for the job of guardian and trustee, and then help you get that plan put into place. So you may be scratching your head and thinking, I just can't figure it out. That's where you go see your experienced estate planning lawyer. They're going to help you put the pieces together in the puzzle and get your planning done so you can rest comfortably. Of course, if you've got some questions that we might be able to answer for you, or if there's anything else we can do for you, I invite you to give us a call here at the Beck Law Firm. You can reach us at 678-344-5342. You can also find more about estate planning here on our YouTube channel and on our blog at bdlawblog.com. Thanks so much.